Hello and welcome from Berkshire Medical Center. My name is Stephen Lamontagne and I am proud to be the director of the residency program here at BMC. I've been fortunate to work with the residency program for several years. I started in 2012 as an associate program director for our residency and then have been the program director for the past 4 years. I'm very thankful that you're all taking the time to view this today, and we certainly welcome you and thank you for your interest in our program. In terms of our residency, we're tremendously proud of the results that we produce. Highlights of our program include our great hands-on clinical teaching, the tremendous and frequent hands-on experience that our residents are able to obtain caring for patients at our hospital, the diversity of our trainees and faculty, and the spirit of collegiality that I think our hospital and residency program affords. Most notably, we're very, very proud of the generations of wonderful internists that we have produced here from Berkshire Medical Center, and thankful that so many people have stayed here to practice and make our local medical community as strong as it is. So again, thank you for your time and interest in our residency. We look forward very much to meeting you, even if by computer, for your interviews. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let us know at any time. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dr. Bill DeMarco. I'm the chair of internal medicine here at the medical center. I've lived and practiced at the hospital for over 30 years now and have been a faculty member for most of that time. BMC is truly an exceptional place to practice and an exceptional place to learn internal medicine. I'm very proud of the training program here. We've developed young physicians to practice in many different areas. I'm often struck when I talk to residents who have gone on to other programs, either fellowship or to practice elsewhere, how well prepared they feel, not just to perform their clinical work, but how this focus on quality and safety and ongoing performance improvement have really set them apart in terms of their peers in other places. In fact, much of this work for our residents leads to a lot of the scholarly work that goes on, including publications both locally and nationally. I'd like to extend the first of what will hopefully be many welcomes to the medical center, and I hope to meet you all in the future.
Hi, I'm Rohan.
Hello, I'm Sheetal, and it's a great honor and privilege to be introducing ourselves as the Chief Residents of the Internal Medicine Residency Program for the upcoming academic year here at Berkshire Medical Center. Looking back, I recall myself starting intern year as an international medical graduate, just trying to navigate my way through the U.S. medical system. The physician I am today has been greatly influenced by my training here at Berkshire Medical Center. Over the years, we've learned how to provide comprehensive, value-based, evidence-based care to a diverse patient population. The culture here at Berkshire Medical Center is one of approachability and accessibility. We have great interpersonal relationships with our fellow residents, with our attendings, with our nursing staff, case managers, and our patients. As chiefs, we would like to carry this culture ahead.
I think BMC provides a comprehensive amount of medical training that's both hands-on and educational. I think my training here at BMC has made me ready for the next step in my career. We're afforded early opportunities for procedural training, and we're encouraged to make decisions on our own, starting even in our first year. But you always feel supported. There's always attendings ready to talk to you at any moment, whether that's about medicine or about life in general. And I think that's the culture that I've come to appreciate most about BMC in general. Beyond the training that's provided here, I think working in a community like the Berkshire County area really exposes you to some of the challenges that a lot of communities in the country face when it comes to medicine or medical hardships. But beyond everything, I think I'll remember the people here that made this place great, from our colleagues who are residents, our nursing staff, and everybody else who come in with a kind of smile on their face every day, and it makes working here pretty easy and fun.
As chief residents, that is the culture that we would like to take ahead.
Welcome to our BMC family. We look forward to meeting you soon.
I'm a preliminary year medical resident at Berkshire Medical Center, and I am going into diagnostic radiology at Massachusetts General Hospital. I've had an amazing experience over the last year getting to work with incredibly knowledgeable and diverse group of attendings, engaging residents, and a very supportive group of program directors who are always backing up any improvements suggested to the system. It is a community hospital, so I think that I've been blessed to learn from the bread and butter cases that we see in internal medicine, like pneumonia, COPD, congestive heart failure, but also kind of switch it up for about 2 months during our ICU rotations, where I got to polish up on my hands-on procedural skills. I think that the kind of environment that was fostered here was one that of greater responsibility and autonomy as I progressed through the year, which made me confident in my own abilities as a physician, and I'm very proud to have been in training here. Overall, I think that if I were given the opportunity again, I would definitely pick Berkshire Medical Center for my prelim year again.
Hi, I'm Mariam. The journey so far has been incredible. It's been a truly rewarding journey here at Berkshire Medical Center. From the attendings to the program leadership, the seniors, everybody has been super supportive, and they really help you ease into your first year, your second year, and carry that forward all the way through. And the teaching is not just limited to the faculty, but also we learn from the nurses, the pharmacists, the case managers, and I think the environment here is great for learning and to grow. They also give you the confidence and the independence that's needed to be a physician while staying under their guidance. And I think that's great, much needed in a residency program. I am super happy and proud to be a resident at the Berkshire Medical Center, and I welcome you all.
Hi, my name is Sufyan. I'm one of the upcoming PGY2s. It's my honor and pleasure to welcome you to BMC. At BMC, you'll find a place where not only will you receive phenomenal clinical education, but as well as this, clinical skills and training throughout a variety of floors and services, both in the inpatient and outpatient. But more than that, you'll also find a place, a home, a family, so to speak. BMC is a place where all of us are very welcoming, friendly, and we support one another in all of our endeavors. And it would be my great honor to have you as my own colleague and friend in the future as well.
Hi, my name is Yijing. Working as a resident at BMC has been an incredible experience. We're working as a group with attending physicians, specialists, and nurses. All of them are extremely supportive and professional. With their support, I feel more confident and independent in providing patient care. The program provides us great opportunities to working in many different settings, including critical care, inpatient and outpatient, as well as various subspecialty rotations. I think the training we received at BMC enable us to realize many possibilities within ourselves and help us achieve our goals, no matter what field we choose to pursue. I'm enjoying my residence at BMC, and I believe you will too. Welcome to BMC Internal Medicine Program.
Hello everyone, my name is Badr Haji. I'm one of the residents at BMC. I just wanted to start by saying that my journey at BMC has been an incredible experience. From the moment I interviewed at BMC, I noticed that the program directors have taken the time to read my personal statement, which made me feel genuinely heard and appreciated. The initial connection set the tone for the rest of my residency. I was surrounded by supportive and collaborative environment. From attendings that are approachable and eager to teach, nurses and case managers that are invested in patient care, and staff that foster a sense of community. BMC has been a place where I have grown not only professionally but on a personal level. I'm very grateful that I've trained in such a compassionate and inclusive program.
Hi, I'm Amanda Staples-Opperman, primary care internist and associate program director for the residency program. I originally came to the Berkshires for an osteopathic internship, and it just felt like home. As a resident, I found that the program leadership really works to support all of us as individuals. I have a distinct interest in women's health, and through conversations with the program director at the time, realized that the best realm for me to do that was in primary care. I seamlessly transitioned into the categorical program with the full support of the program leadership to follow my own interests. I always thought I'd return to Maine after completing my training, and when the time came to make plans, I just couldn't imagine leaving this amazing community. I wanted to continue to care for my neighbors with my colleagues and mentors. I could not wait to work with the residents and help them find their fullest potential. I jumped at the chance to be Associate Program Director and have welcomed a cohort of residents into my primary care clinic for their clinical teaching experience. We are a diverse program that is rich in dedication to patient care and teamwork, and I am grateful to continue that legacy of support and leadership.
I am being one of them. Having special interest in women's health, the program made sure that I have adequate exposure to appropriate patient population to help me practice safely and independently down the road. I take pride in staying in the area and serving my local community. We are very excited to meet all of you and wish you all the best in the upcoming match season.
My name is Cecilia Peñasisto. I'm a primary care director of ambulatory education and core faculty member. In 2007, I started my residency here. After that, I was chief resident, and at the end of that year, I have no hesitation in my decision to stay permanently in the Berkshires. I found no better place to stay with the perfect combination of a beautiful nature, a world-renowned cultural tradition, and a work ambience that provide a good level of education with a friendly and professional atmosphere. I welcome you to our hospital.
Hi, my name is Anna Moradian. I graduated Berkshire Medical Center Residency Program in 2019, and I'm currently working as an attending hospitalist for the small community hospital. It provides wide exposure to a variety of medical conditions. Everyone who graduated our program feel well equipped with knowledge and skills we need to practice in any environment. My favorite thing about our program is the program is small. It has a very strong communal feeling. You won't be caring just for a patient. You'd be caring for your neighbor, for your acquaintance, for the grandparents of the kids that go in the same school as your kids. Residents are welcome, their suggestions are welcome, their criticism is taken into account and acted upon, and everyone tries to build a friendly, conducive environment that the people can learn and be assertive of their skills. Last but not least, Berkshires are beautiful. There's a lot of outdoor activities, and whether it be kayaking, hiking, just spending a nice outdoor day on the lake. It's what me and my family appreciated most. We hope you choose our Berkshire Medical Center Residency Program as your future house of learning.
Hi, I'm Rabia Mir, an attending physician at Berkshire Medical Center, where I also completed residency. My decision to stay and practice at BMC was based on the sense of community and camaraderie that I experienced throughout my training. BMC not only gave me the tools I needed to practice medicine independently, but also gave me a sense of security in knowing that I had a team of trustworthy physicians standing by my side. The milestone of transitioning from resident to attending has its own challenges, but the team of physicians at BMC welcomed me as a new physician and were always available to lend out a helping hand. This has immensely helped make my transition from resident to attending as smooth as possible. I'm grateful to be a part of the BMC family and hope that you will join us soon.
Hi everyone, it's Hassan Mirza. Residency experience here at BMC has been amazing. I get to learn practicing medicine with a diverse group of colleagues. We have a great sense of community here. Faculty and the program leadership is really supportive and works with you with your career goals and ambitions in mind to help get you where you want to be in your careers. It's a place where you feel comfortable and grow. personally and professionally. That's something really important to me and probably to a lot of other people. That's why I chose to be at BMC, and I hope you do the same.
Hi everyone, I am Mayra Pinilla. I'm a third-year medical resident here at Berkshire Medical Center, and I'm about to begin my journey with infectious diseases fellowship at Tufts Medical Center in Boston. As I look back on my residency journey, I have an overwhelming sense of gratitude for the foundation I have built here at Berkshire Medical Center. Since day one, I have given the opportunity to have hands-on clinical training and been able to have a strong clinical judgment. Likewise, the personalized mentorship I received while in residency gave me the opportunity to grow personally and professionally in the pursuit of my career. Faculty members took genuine interest in my goals while giving me continuous encouragement in order for me to pursue this dream. Through their support, whether it was with research opportunities or career advice, I always felt heard, seen, and truly invested in. My mentors believe in me so much and greatly that they put my strengths into words so that they could advocate for me, building amazing letters of recommendations for this process. It truly takes a village to get to this point, and I can recognize that I would have not been able to make this without the unwavering support of my mentors, my community, and the whole medical staff here at Berkshire Medical Center. In Berkshire Medical Center, the fostering of an environment full of kindness, support, and great skills is going to make you become the attending that you want to be in the future. I want to wish all of you best of luck in your training, and I wish that you can experience what I have experienced here at Berkshire Medical Center.
Welcome to Berkshire Medical Center Internal Medicine Residency Program. My name is Hafez Alzman. I am a critical care physician and nephrologist, and the Associate Program Director of the Internal Medicine Residency Program. Anyone knows me knows that I am a very proud graduate of this program. And many people ask me, why did I choose Berkshire Medical Center to be home for myself and my family after my graduation from my fellowship? I don't have that sophisticated answer, except that I really fall in love with the program, the hospital, and the community during my residency. So I decided to come back to what I call it home. Through these years, I've been honored to be part of the teaching faculty and beside my other colleagues in the leading of this residency program. I am very proud of the qualities we produce. Through these years, many of our graduates they chose different paths for their career, between the primary care practices, hospitalists, and fellows. And through these years, many of them also joined their mother program over here to be part of this big community of doctors trying to support and help patients in this area. Our program is built on values of respect, caring, supporting, and trying to help our trainees to get to their best potential. Through our robust curriculum, we are able to provide you with the knowledge and the skills you need to be an independent and competent physician. At the same time, we have opportunities of research and publication and quality projects. Our program doesn't spare any efforts to help and support our trainees to get to their potential. Welcome to Berkshire Medical Center Internal Medicine Residency Program.